Okay, hello, welcome along to another RetroTech 120p arcade challenge. Join the group, like this post, hit the bell button, subscribe, go to the group, join in. This week it's Miss Pac-Man, chosen by Anthony Walker, I think it was. So a few facts about the game before we start. It was originally a hack of the original board, with several changes to it, and then it was shown to Midway and they negotiated making it into a full game with Namco getting most of the money from it, royalties and stuff like that. And as you can see, we know it's Miss Pac-Man because she's got a bow, a spot and lipstick on. Yeah, just like all the women in ever. This was very popular with girls, but then so was the first one. It is a hard game, so I will get cracking. If I beat that high score, I will be happy, but I'm not expecting it. Died on the first level with my last playthrough of this, so I am not that optimistic. We'll see. You want to try and get the ghosts pretty close together when you do this, if you can. Oh fuck. I'll just fuck it up like I do. The joystick can be a pain in this, so sometimes you can, you think you're going one way, in reality you're going a completely different way. That's the game for you. Let's chase this. Oh, got lucky there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. I am getting so lucky here. Oh, fuck. Went the wrong way. I meant, you give it a slight nudge, you think it's going to go one way and then it just goes another way. That's the game. Maybe it's also my joystick, I don't know. Possibly. Who knows? I mean, they don't seem to be able to know where you are, but it sort of feels like that sometimes. Ah, crap. That noise means I've got an extra life. You get an extra life at 10,000. And then I just pissed it away. There you go. Shit, 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 shit. See if I can get you back. You get greedy in this game. That's the problem. Come on. Come on. You want to get them all, but you can't always. Hey, it's a distraction. Cutscene. Oh, Miss Pac-Man meets Pac-Man and they fall in love, because that's how it works. Just like in the movies, yeah? As you can see, different levels, different colours. It's all changed. So there goes the first credit. Let's just crack on with the second one. Did well in places, did terrible in others. So, you know, story of my life. Bollocks! I have no idea how you can play this game and not swear. I'm sure you can, but I can't. So. Shite. I don't waste any time when you beat them. Come back quickly. Ah, god damn it. I never thought I was going to win this week. It's amazing I even do the game, because usually when I think I'm not good at this, I don't even bother doing it, because that's the sort of wanker I am. Ah, fuck. Oh, joystick malfunction again. Let's see if I can get all of them. Not going to. I love the sound effects in this. Yeah, class. Just not very good at this game. Not very good at all. Oh, joystick issues again. Always my excuse. Well, you know, I'm probably better at Pac-Man, but it's probably a bit easier, so there we go. Like, subscribe, notifications, and all that gubbins, and yeah. Maybe I'll get to pick the game this week. Maybe I won't. You get a random draw to see who picks the game. So no longer do you have to win to get to pick the game. So enter, get to pick the game. Maybe change it up next week. Maybe we'll have some weird puzzle game, or some almost pornographic puzzle game. Or maybe we'll have a shooter, or a beat 'em up, or a variety of different genres that you can have in these arcade games. Anyway, that's enough blathering for me. See you again next week.